Mishimelon.
Let's help the letter get to the word. Guide the letter through the maze to the word. Great job! This letter A completes the word cat. It's time to get to know the an word family. An. Move the letter to make up the word. K. An. Can. F. An. Fan. V. An. Van. Pan. You did a great job. That was the an word family.
It is amazing.
Today we get acquainted with the am word family. Am. Move the letter to make up the word. Ham. Am. Yam. Am. Jam. Am. Tram. Well done. That was the am word family. Look, these are cards. You need to find pairs of all the cards. Find a match for each item. Great! Now our album is full. Are you ready to meet the at word family? At. Move the letter to make up the word. B. At. Bat. K. At. Cat. At. Hat. At. Rat. Great job! It was the at word family. New words to be completed. Move each letter to the right spot. P. I. L. L. O. W. I. L. L. O. W. Pillow. Did someone decide to take a nap? What letter is missing in this word? Move each letter to the right spot. P. A. N. D. A. N. D. A. Panda. Just look how cute it is. Move each letter to the right spot. J. E. W. E. L. E. W. E. L. Jewel. You did an amazing job.
Oh, kitties.
Let's get some sight words together. Put each letter in the right place. A. M. Am. I am hungry. Let's make another word. Put each letter in the right place. B, E, B. He wants to be an actor. Are you ready for a new one? Put each letter in the right place. D, O, do. Do you have any pets? And the one last one. Put each letter in the right place. H, A, V, E, E. Have. I have finished my homework. Fantastic! You aced it, my friend.
Some words are missing in the sentences. Let's fix this. Move the correct word to the sentence. Yahoo! The bird can fly. Here is another sentence. Move the correct word to the sentence. Well done. May I come in? Are you ready for another one? Move the correct word to the sentence. Great job! Maggie went out for a walk. And now, one last one. Move the correct word to the sentence. You did great. The cat is here.
It's time to get to know the AG word family. A-G. Ag. Move the letter to make up the word. B-ag. Bag. R-ag. Rag. St-ag. Stag. Full egg flag. Great job! That was the AG word family.
You are learning good teacher.
I want to play a little rhyming game with you.
Flab. Rat. Flab. Yam. Flab. Crab. Crab.
You're right. The word lab rhymes with crab. Let's try again. What word rhymes with ham?
Ham. Crab. Ham. Rat. Ham. Yam. Yam.
Well done. Ham rhymes with the word yam. One rhyme left. Are you ready?
Bat. Rat. Bat. Crab. Bat. Yam. Bat. Crab. Bat. Rat.
Perfect. Bat rhymes with the word rat. You play well with rhymes.
Circle.
And here are the new words that need to be completed. Move each letter to the right spot. J, E, A, N, S. Jeans. They look very stylish. Move each letter to the right spot. G, R, A, P, S, R, A, P, E, S. Grapes. They look very tasty. Move each letter to the right spot. W, A, H-A-L-E, whale. One of the largest underwater animals.
Learn a
Let's try to write some sight words. Move the drop to trace the letter O. Move the drop to trace the letter N. Move the drop to trace the letter E. This is how the sight word one is written. He is number one. Let's write another word. Move the drop to trace the letter T. Move the drop to trace the letter W. Move the drop to trace the letter O. This is how the sight word two is written. I have two candies. Here is a new word. Move the drop to trace the letter T. Move the drop to trace the letter H. Move the drop to trace the letter R. Move the drop to trace the letter E. Move the drop to trace the letter E. This is how the sight word three is written. She saw 3 stars. And the last one? Move the drop to trace the letter F. Move the drop to trace the letter I. Move the drop to trace the letter N. Move the drop to trace the letter D. This is how the sight word find is written. Can you find the map? 4 more words in your collection. Well done. Several cards are missing from our collection. Let's fix that. Look, here are the cards. Find a match for each item. That's better. Thanks for the help. Let's get some sight words together. Put each letter in the right place. F, F, I, N, D, D. Find. Can you find the map? Let's make another word. Put each letter in the right place. O, N, E, 1. I have 1 crayon. Are you ready for a new one? Put each letter in the right place. T, W, O, 2. I have 2 cookies. And the one last one. Put each letter in the right place. T, H, R, E, E. 3. I see 3 peaches. Fantastic! You aced it, my friend. Let's learn a little bit about the N word family. N. Move the letter to make up the word. N. Hen. N. Pen. N. Den. N. Ten. Great job! It was the word family N. Let's find all the cards and fill this album. Tap on the gift. This is the sound F. Choose a card that starts with the sound F. Good guess! This is a fish. Let's try one more time. Tap on the gift. This is the sound G. Choose a card that starts with the sound G. You are right. This is a game. Look, another gift. Tap on the gift. This is the sound B. Choose a card that starts with the sound B. Correct! This is a ball. Wow! Let's do one more gift. Tap on the gift. This is the sound K. Choose a card that starts with the sound K. Great! This is a cat. One last one. Tap on the gift. This is the sound D. Choose a card that starts with the sound D. Awesome! This is a dinosaur. That was awesome! Great job!